Welcome to your private oasis in Cordova Gardens. From the moment you step inside, you'll know this condo is truly one of a kind. Unlike any other unit in Cordova Gardens, this bright and spacious home features one of the community's largest floor plans, complete with a stunning loft and multiple upgrades throughout. Enjoy modern living with updated flooring, a beautifully renovated kitchen, and stylishly refreshed bathrooms. Located in the best spot in Cordova Gardens, this unit opens directly to the picturesque pool area, just steps from your front door. With 3 private patios, you'll feel like you're in your own serene retreat, perfect for morning coffee or evening relaxation. The versatile loft area offers endless possibilities: home office, creative studio, guest space. Let your imagination soar. You'll love the convenience of being just minutes from vibrant downtown Sarasota and the world-famous Siesta Key Beach. Plus, you're within walking distance of shopping, dining, parks, and more. There is a broker fee in the amount of $75 that will have to be charged to the tenant. Rent included, water, sewer, garbage, internet and community pool.